What's up? I'm fishing with you and you're fishing with me. I got crazy ass hat hair going on right now. We're at the lower Illinois River in Oklahoma, down by Gore, Oklahoma. Gonna just blow this out there. Yeah, I mean, trout fishermen from all over know about this place. I mean, like, the odds of you actually coming down here and fishing it, great, okay? So
hit me up if you do. Whatever. We'll go fishing.
Alright guys, we're finally underway. After all of that stuff is gonna get cut out that you don't need to see. I might use like 3 minutes of it. Well, this is it. Rodney reel is going down in this challenge. The fish me up. We're gonna start small, go big. First part of the challenge, catch a trout. Second part of the challenge, or actually side quest challenge, is like, you see what I'm talking about? It's shallow all the way across right here. Oh, we're getting instant current. But anyways, side quest is to catch some sandies or some stripers and take them home to mom and pops for din. I think Dad liked that fish you cooked the other night. He is skibbity dragging. I am too now. So we're gonna get out and drag him on up. My kayak's got this cool little carrying handle. So does his. Oh, Rodney reel caught him up over there. Got one. Got one. Yes. Got one. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. On one, and it looks like it's a trout. Heck yeah. I need this. Will make me a stringer. Okay, got him. We're gonna let a little bit of line out. Some electrolytes. Oh, bitch. Okay. Now put the pliers back up. Put this back up under there. The line. Put this all over here. There's his. Okay. Now I've seen a couple of surface. I got a feeling on this cast I may catch one. So I'm just gonna, yep, got him. Oh, and he got off. And that's why I left it running, was because I had a feeling I'd get one. Maybe on this cast.
Here it is. It looks like a yellow bass. Correct me if I'm wrong. You can keep it?
No, if you got a stringer, maybe. And here, I use this to make a stringer.
That's not it. I don't have any string with me. Look, boys, I got him.
Yeah, that was a catch-up cast for you. Like while you were catching up. Got him, a trout. Yes, and I'm recording. No! He just got off. Well, I guess I'm gonna give it a go. Mr. Bender Rod is not that interested in getting downriver very quick. Back on with another good trout. Another good trout. We're not keeping this one though. We're gonna let him go. Oh yeah, there he is. Nice trout. Maybe he'll get off before he gets up here. He's barely hooked. Oh, come here. There we go. Come here, bud. Don't break mine. Ooh, he about got me. There he is. Look at that. Look at that beautiful fish. I hope it's doing it justice, dude. These are freaking pretty fish. Wow. Wow. Another one. Yes, that's two. And I've hooked into a bunch more. So, I got a feeling that this spot, man, I've had two follows just like bam, bam. Probably gonna get another one if I cast out there or something. One, or if I catch like another. Oh my gosh, I got something. Yeah. Well, I don't feel like it's coming. Oh yeah, it is. It's right here. Yeah, it is. If I can get back up to it. Yeah, it's a good one.
Is it?
Yeah, there it is. Bam.
Oh, it is a good one. What is it? Is that mine? I think that's the freaking rail trap I lost last time.
Really?
Ooh, I got a bite. They're biting out there, huh?
Somewhere, dude. I got a couple of good bites. Got one. I think it's another trout. It is a trouty trout. God, he's got a lot of energy. This is not what I hooked into a second ago, people. Not what I hooked into. Okay, dude. Oh. Dang, he's got off and about hooked me in the process. Wow. I count that as a landed fish, people. I got him to the kayak, right? Just what professional fishermen refer to as the quick release is what that was called. Okay. Got him. It's like my fourth, fifth trout that I've actually hooked into, probably going to land. Okay, probably. Okay, there it is, coming in nice. No! Great, let's go get some sunblock. There goes my baby. Look at him, people. Look at him. Really? Let me have one. Let me have yours. And you take the new one. I didn't understand the question. That's freaking real nice.
That's crazy, man.
Yeah. Is it wood?
No, it's like carbon fiber, bro.
Well, What, you aren't recording?
I ain't recording shit.
None of that.
None of it.
Oh, well, that's cool. Big. It's big, whatever this is.
Hit your button, you're not recording.
I am. It should be now.
Yeah.
Okay. Watch out, you're about to go right over my line.
No, I'm not. I can see it.
Okay. Whoa, what is it?
I don't know.
Oh, it's a striper.
Is it?
Yeah.
You want to fish right here?
Yeah.
Oh, it is. You want me to net it?
Yeah.
Maybe not. You want this big one?
Whoa, this is a good one.
It is a good one.
And you can be
I've
able to
already
see it
filmed a
because I've
couple of
got my
times.
camera pointed at it.
A lot of the time you couldn't see what was going on because my camera was on my chest and not my head.
Oh, shoot. He swam right through it.
No, he didn't. Swim out of the top.
Oh,
He said he swam right through it.
oh, there he goes.
Golly, and it all goes away just like that.
Woo.
You know it? I was whooping your ass right until that point.
You really were. I wasn't. Wow, look at that, dude.
Just like last time, you got the most desirable fish. I need to throw a big spoon on this bit. That's what I'm thinking.
I think you weren't lying, it is carbon fiber.
Yeah, I know.
Oh shit, it's a floater.
How many people drove by that bad son of a gun?
At least like 10 today.
At least by alone. You think they drove that airboat up this? You think they put it in their own little thingy right there?
I don't know. Aha. Shoot, what's the limit on these?
5, any size.
Got him. Got him. Hooked into probably another trout. It's not fighting like a striper. Yeah. Oh, it is a striper. It is a striper. Oh, there he goes. Now he's fighting like a striper. Yeah, he got me. I'm bleeding. Ah, he got me again. I'm bleeding at a different spot. Too small. Too small. Too small. If he was a little bit bigger, I'd put him on there, but just sweet release him. Got him. Whoa, that's another biggin. That's another biggin. And I got it on tape. Ooh, he's fighting. He's going upstream. Ooh, now he's coming downstream. Ooh, there he goes. Right past me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's worth keeping. That's a good sandy. Oh yeah, dude. He's going upstream. He's going downstream. You don't know where he's going. Oh yeah, it's another nice sandy. Heck yeah. Oh yeah. Oh shit. He's coming in. Oh no. Damn. I'm hitting these the wrong freaking way. Let's go. We're going. Damn. This guy's trying to get me hooked hardcore. Man, I'm actually gonna let him go. He's a little bit small. Okay. Oh my gosh, dude. I've been tangling my line up by running that without a swivel. Big time. A big time. I've been messing that up big time. Dang, there's the kayaker where we was talking about fishing. Ooh, I just got the slack knocked into it. Something just schwacked this thing. Anyways, that's like the second or third hit I've gotten already. Oh, there's another one. Something needs to just take this thing. Got him. Got him. Whoa, yeah, it's big. Oh my gosh, I'm going on a ride.
He's going for a ride, guys.
It took out line too.
I see it. Wow.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
You got your net though.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's a big one. Oh, probably like that big.
10 pounds?
No, probably like 7. Woo. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh, there she goes again. Heck yeah. Oh, going for a ride, boys. Whoa. Whoa. There she goes, going back that way. Wow, she might be bigger than 10. She might be 10.
I got the D-Lyre.
Do you? I think I might have one. Wow, there she is.
Oh wow, it's like a 7-8 pounder. I got a big net. No, you'll have to
Look at that. Look at that.
wow. Good land, people. Oh, that's like a 12-15 pounder, dude.
Right?
Maybe like.
Oh, he got it for me. Heck yeah.
Hold it up for the camera, bro.
Heck yeah.
That quick, huh?
Yeah, it didn't take very long, did it?
No.
Whew. Holy cow.
Hold it up.
Oh, hold on. Look at it.
Yeah, you're recording.
Look at it. Yeah, I was recording, dude. I put it on when it started whacking it, like tink, tink. Oh my gosh. What a feeling. That was bad. This is my new personal best.
It's not bigger than the one we caught that day.
It probably weighs more. It might not be long wise, but.
I don't know what it's.
Oh, dude, that's a pretty hefty girl, dude. That's a pretty hefty girl. Woo! Look at that. That was so freaking fun.
That's the thumbnail.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Hold on. Hold on, I'm on my phone.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful one. Heck yeah. That's as far as I can go. That's like as far as my arms go.
Alright.
Alright. Heck yeah, we did it. We came. We saw. We conquered. Ooh, I did it. I did it. I got the bait and worked my way up to this big old girl. Look at that. Look at that torpedo. That's freshwater tuna right there.
Yeah, it is. They
Alright.
look way clearer than the ones from the salt.
Okay, here we go.
You're not ready to go, are you?
Yeah. Did you want to keep it for din din?
Yeah, I don't know, do you?
We can. Dad said to keep them.